My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekhar classes on applied data science with Python. This is lecture number 309. In this lecture, we will try to understand how to handle missing values by imputation. I can say it is missing value imputation. So, sometimes in data, you have something called missing values. Let me explain what missing values are. Let's assume I have four features. Let me say that features are, this is feature 1, this is feature 2, this is feature 3, this is feature 4, isn't it? It could happen, let me say these are the four features. Imagine if I have data set like this is my yi. Let me assume this is my yi. So it could so happen that for a data point xi, let me say this is my xj is one data point, and let me say this is xi is another data point. Let me say this is xk is third data point, jth data point. Otherwise, for xj, let me assume feature 1 present, feature 2 present, feature 3 present, feature 4 is also present. Whereas in the case of xi, feature 1 present, feature 2 is present, whereas let me assume feature 3 is not present for xi. Let me say feature 4 is present. For xk, let me assume feature 1 is present, feature 2 is present, just similar to xi, this feature 3 is not present. So, let me say it could so happen that for a data point xi, I have values for, just see, for xi, I have values for feature 1, feature 2 and feature 4, isn't it? But for feature 3, what about for feature 3? For feature 3, for some reason, the value is missing. Missing values can occur because of multiple reasons. There could be data corruption. Yes, there could be data corruption. There could be data corruption, isn't it? There could be data corruption. Data could have been corrupted, or somebody who is collecting the data might have missed the data. So it is called data collection error. There may be data collection error. We cannot say. There may be data collection error, isn't it? They may forgot to collect that the whole feature itself, the whole feature f3 itself for xi, even whole feature f3 for xk. It may happen. That happens. Missing data is very common in the real world. It could be because data got corrupted, because the collection, somebody collected data but did not curate it and put it. There may be multiple reasons. Typically, if this data is missing, let's say this data is missing, typically I can say all missing data in Python is represented by NaN. Missing data in Python can be represented by using NaN, which means, what is the meaning of NaN? What is the meaning of NaN? Not a number. Not a number, isn't it? In some programming languages, it could also be represented as null. Sometimes people used to represent this missing values by null. Null means there is no value there. Sometimes it's nan. Sometimes it's null. Depends. Sometimes even people used to put a number like -1, isn't it? -1 to represent that there is no value. So when you have missing value, there are multiple ways to featureize it. Let's see how to featureize. See, for xi it's missing. Just assume for xi feature f3 is missing. Another point xj, just see, another point xj, data could present, whole data will present. Just see, for xj all features are available, isn't it? Only for xi this column is missing. For xi this particular f3 is missing. For xi f3 is missing. For a given row and given column, this particular data is missing. For the same column, for xj, For same column, for xj it's present, feature f3 is present, isn't it? But let's not forget it. So what are the ways to factorize it? Let's go to the first strategy. First strategy is called imputation. What is this imputation? It is basically means you are trying to replace this value which is missing with something else. This missing value must be replaced with something else. Three common strategies. There are three common strategies. Let me say like this. Let me erase this one. Yes. What are these three common strategies? The three common strategies for imputation: mean, median, mode, isn't it? I can say mean, median, mode. I can say mode means what? Most frequent value. It is most frequent value. That's mode. And how does it work? You basically say of all the values that are present for f3, just say for f3, only subset of points is not present. For xk it is not present. Just say for xk also it's not present. If feature f3 is not present, isn't it? For xk it's not present. Only for two values it's not present. For xi feature f3 is not present. For xk feature f3 is not present. So that I can say only for two values it's not present. For all other points it is present. So the strategy is as follows. Take all the values, take all the non-missing values. That's important here. Take all the non-missing values. Non-missing values means you should not consider for this one and this one. They are missing, isn't it? Take all the non-missing values for that feature. Which feature? For that feature f3. Compute the mean. You get some mean value. You put the mean value here. Where will you put? You should put that mean value in the place of missing portion. Here I must keep that mean value, or take the median value, or take the mode and put it here, isn't it? You can take mean and median. It's numerical. For numeric you can make use mean and median, isn't it? If it's a non-numeric value, like something like categorical, for categorical variables like categorical value, you can take most frequent item. This is very simple strategy for imputation. Even this is in terms of code, it's readily available. Just go to this particular page. In terms of code, it's readily available in sklearn, preprocessing.imputer. Imputation is done as data preprocessing step. What is imputation? It is basically data preprocessing step. You have something called imputer. Just see, you have some sklearn.preprocessing.imputer. You have something called imputer, where how do you represent missing values? You just see missing underscore values equal to nen. You have to represent missing values as nen. As I told you, in Python we are representing these values by using nen. What is the strategy? You have mean. Just see strategies. What is default strategy is mean, isn't it? Strategies, you can use mean, you can use median, you can use most frequent, you can use most frequent one as an imputer, isn't it? What is the strategy? You have mean, median, and most frequent values. Access equal to 0. This is access. Just see what is the default value. Default value of access is 0, isn't it? By default it's 0. What does it mean? What is the strategy? Mean, median, and most frequent values. Access equal to 0 is basically means it will do column wise. Just see, even that we already discussed. Just see here what it says. If access equal to 0, it will do imputation column wise. If access equal to 1, it can do imputation along rows. Very simple. You just impute any missing value using the imputation strategies. Now, what does imputation means? There is one thing that you should do that I will discuss in my next lecture. That is in lecture number 310. Thank you very much.